So we're ready to turn this pot.
Right.
Ooh, she is getting brown.
Right. So you can come and turn, and I can
get
add
the
the...
chefing, so you have to always hold that pot.
Right. So we're going to add some Chadon beni.
Turn it around. Okay.
Nice.
Lovely. Hey all my foodies, it's me Natalie, and I'm here with my friend Chef Jeremy, and on today's episode we will be making stew liver. So today's stew liver, I've always been a little scared about liver, so I want to see this magic you're going to work today.
Right, so we have our cleaned, washed liver.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
We're going to season it all with our local seasonings. You can help me by adding.
Yes.
We're going to start with the garlic, 2.
Oh, okay. How much?
2 spoons.
2 spoons. I love garlic, so I'm just trying to give full spoons
And
here.
the thyme, 1 spoon.
1 spoon. That's a half. Let me just get a little more, please.
A little more, yeah. Pimento, put 3 spoons.
All right.
You need plenty of that pimento.
I know.
Yeah.
Give that an extra zest.
Onion, 2.
All right. How much? 2?
2, yeah.
Okay.
Chive, 2, and celery, 2.
All right. Chive. Because this will fall off my spoon.
Yeah.
Okay. All these good greens.
Yeah.
Right.
And the last ingredient is the clove. The clove is to help it, you know, sometimes liver has that kind of freshness kind of thing. Yeah, the clove is to help with that. That's one. Right. Nice. And we will add the salt and black pepper while cooking.
Okay.
So you guys gonna mix
Right.
and let's allow to marinate because it's liver and such a tender meat as per se.
Okay.
It will marinate.
And usually how long
quickly.
should you have this marinating?
About 30 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Yeah, about 30 minutes. And we season up stir evenly.
Right.
And we allow to marinate for about 30 minutes, and then we come back to start the whole stewing.
Okay. Sounds great. Okay, so we have let this liver sit for a good 30 minutes.
30 minutes, yeah.
Right. So what's the next step?
We're going to stew,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Traditionally, locally, I know foreign will have a different concept of stewing, but our local stew is with burning sugar. And I like to add a little oil to help the sugar caramelize a little better.
Yes.
Tradition, you don't really have to put the oil, but I like to put the oil.
What kind of oil is this?
Vegetable oil.
Okay, vegetable oil.
Right. Oil,
Okay.
brown sugar. Right, and allow it to caramelize.
Right. They say the stew always comes out better in a cold pot. Is that true?
Yes, in
Yes?
the iron pot, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, it's something that we have here local. It's made local. This type of pot.
Yeah.
And all local dishes. You know, I am guessing it's more traditional that it has to be done
I think so.
in an iron pot. You know.
Yeah. Right.
That's a
That
lot.
oil is starting to get hot with that sugar.
Sugar, right? So you want it when
Caramelizing.
the sugar caramelizes it, you don't want it to burn. You want it to move from when you start seeing it moving from the light brown to dark brown, but not black.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are we going to make this stew really dark?
No.
Oh, no. Okay.
No.
I really love a dark stew.
And I'd like it too dark. Because
Okay.
sometimes when they take the chance and run the sugar too dark, it
Yeah.
kind of gets it a little bitter.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know if you like the bitterness. but I
No,
don't.
I don't like the bitterness, but I love a dark stew.
Dark stew.
Yeah.
So you see it coming in,
Nice.
starting to turn color.
Yeah.
Right.
All right. It's coming together. I'm starting to see it getting a little foamy, in its appearance. Yeah. That's when you know it's kind of getting to that perfect caramelizing.
Browning,
Yeah. Okay.
So we're almost there.
Okay. It's definitely getting foamy.
And the typical knocking on the pot, you know.
Yeah.
You know when mommy cooking in the kitchen, you
You're
must have that pot
definitely
knock.
not cooking right if you don't give that 2 knocks.
Right. So now we're ready to put in.
Okay. That sizzle is it. I'm gonna let the chef do the chefing.
Yeah.
Let me pull away for a little bit.
We add our salt. Black pepper.
Right.
And of course our habanero. Can't have a stew without habanero. And we cover and you're allowed to, it's because it's liver, it wouldn't spring much liquid, so you have to really pay attention to the heat when cooking liver.
Yeah.
And we cover and let it both steam and cook for about 15 minutes.
Okay. Right. So we're ready to turn this pot.
Right.
Ooh, she is getting brown.
Right. So you can come and turn, and I
You
can
get
add
the
the
chef thing, chefing, so you have to always hold that pot.
Right. So we're going to add some Chadon
Turn
beni.
it around. Okay.
Nice.
Lovely.
And some coconut milk. Right, but
That coconut milk is definitely dehydrated.
yes, I know traditionally we use the grated coconut where we squeeze
Yeah.
and get the milk, but the powder is fine. I get a nice turn there.
Especially for a quick meal like this.
Yeah. We cover it and we let it cook for another 5 minutes and it's done.
Okay. So basically 15 minutes for a completed
Basically,
stew.
yeah.
Okay. All right.
Nice.
I'm excited.
So you ready?
Yes.
Try this here.
I had a very bad experience with liver growing up, so I never tried liver again. But this is looking so delicious. I'm definitely trying it today because I love stew too.
I hope I don't repeat that.
No, I think you did well. The way this is smelling, how thick it is, it's rich.
Nice.
Then you put that coconut milk in. All right. Can I try now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay. Let me see, guys. All right. I take back all these years I wasted not eating liver.
Alright, no. That's good.
This is great. I love it. The liver, you get a nice stew mixed into that liver. You don't have the bouncing of the bones like from chicken. So it's a smooth texture, very rich. I love the added coconut milk. It definitely, you taste it.
Yeah.
So definitely delicious. Guys, I hope you all follow this recipe here today. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all again. Bye.